Yeah, buddy.
Life is slid, take a breath. It's wild, shit a trip. Life is living, shit a gift. Put your name.
Yeah, Tom Corn.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, what a day. We just ended up sessioning at Woodward for the last few hours. Me and Tom Corn got a morning session. We're going to go wake the boys up and get them riding bikes today, too.
You.
Hey,
Yo, yo.
iStreet sesh.
Yo,
let's go.
let's go.
Hey.
Yo.
Where the fuck is he?
What's up? There he is. We're going to iStreet, bud.
Let's go.
Let's get it.
Where's Scooter?
He's ready.
He's gone.
Yo, Schmidt.
Oh!
We're going mountain biking, dude.
Oh my god.
Let's go. Okay, this asshole did that to me earlier, so I had to get him back. Sorry. Alright, we're going right. You hit me in the face, you dick.
I tried to slap your face.
No, you hit me directly in the fucking nose. My eyes are watering.
Ah.
That was dog shit. Shut up.
Leo,
Go
was
back
it?
to
You would
filming.
know.
That's dog shit.
Hey,
Come
you
on,
don't-
land
you
it.
don't
This
lose.
one. You got it.
Oh,
see, that wasn't dog shit. Leo even got out of the way. Knew you were gonna
Yeah,
land
see,
it.
he was like, oh, that ain't shit.
Don't forget to put your palm in front of the camera.
Oh, like this?
Yeah, that marks the clip.
Yeah, that's how.
Tomcorn, what do you got packed there, bud?
I'm just finishing loading up. It looks like we need one more in here.
Trail sodas.
Oh shit, I'll go get
We
it.
got the trail sodas on lock.
Yeah, it's a cold treat, I think is what Kurt was calling them.
I like calling them liquid snacks.
Snacks!
He's calling it a frozen snack.
Fucking weirdo, dude.
What's going on back there? You getting emotional in the backseat?
I can't even see your eyes in the mirror, dude.
Yeah, it's because I'm short. You got short people jokes or something? Do something about it.
Did we bring any? Where are we at? What are we doing, dude?
I'm lifting a super heavy bike out for my friend. Oh my goodness. Yeah. And we're at iStreet and we're gonna get her done. So show Schmitty the local mountain bike trails and we're gonna get her done.
Schmitty! Last time we brought you mountain biking in Utah, you almost died, remember? Schmitty died, dude. Was that good e-biking, like first time, dude?
What an experience. I need to go to bed now.
I went to the hospital for it. You ready to ride, dude?
Yeah, I didn't know the guy then, and yes, I'm ready to ride.
Curtis, where are we at? What are we doing?
We're at the local trails, iStreet, kind of like the go-to spot, and Schmitty here. Figured we'd break him in on a mountain bike today instead of BMX or snowboards, skateboards, anything that he's used to. Mountain bikes it is.
You follow me, bro. You got, dude, you really got to keep up the lens uptake. There's all fingerprints. Can you guys see that in there? Is that bothering y'all?
You good, bro?
Popcorn.
Hello?
Well, Tom Corn came ready to ride.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleeping. I got a queen, she lit me to eat it. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. I'm well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage of doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that. Wanna fuck me looking at the bill stack. Off the bubbly buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out. Niggas laced up, I really hate love. love from a stranger. Shit is fake stuff, only need it from you. Yeah. Crash land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex wanna play by the coast. Carry the torch, I'm way up and slitty wherever we flow. I came from the cold, used to rest on the floor. I stitch up my wounds, was born a soldier. Flipping the struggle, I'm taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is bond, yeah. What we on now is wild, shit a trip. Life is lit, take a breath. Now it's wild, this shit a trip. Life is lit.
Shut up and ride, go!
I don't really lack nothing.
Go!
Splash button. Niggas ain't like too bad for 'em. They lie with the top, but it's mad rubbish. It don't mean nothing. From the short trying to make it to the top floor. With the penthouse, pin game, something now you got yours. No sleep, been a task grabber, been a lab at it. Chief of the tribe, I put on for my village. Used to be local, I'm taking it global. Trying with the focus, she catching emotion. Treat that holistic, I give it a physics. Fuck your opinion, just did a show on the spit raw material. I'm independent, bitch, I'm in the building. Look what we built it, feel like we're selling, we taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too well. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. Know my word is bond, yeah. What we on now is wild, shit a trip. Life is lit, take a breath. Now it's wild, this shit a trip. Life is lit, you shit a gift, bitch, I'm in.
Okay, so on my first day of properly riding a full suspension, where I did a backflip tuck, backflip T-bog, and then some like under roll flips type thing. So I think for the first day of riding full suspension, it's gonna be a good start of a career.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna try and eat a bee. See it, dude? It's like in my turf. Okay. He's trying to fight me. So, Schmidt, out of nowhere, we give him the loaner bike. Next minute, he does a backflip out of nowhere. Doesn't say anything. 2 runs later, does a flip tuck. And then shows me up with a flip toboggan. And then an underflip. Schmidt just stole like all my tricks in one day. Kind of scared. This kid's a weapon. Schmidt! Oh, did you catch a beardie? I have cracked my... Can't do that. Can't do that. Can't. We have today's award.
MVCs?
Yeah, MVC. And it is a #1. Hey! Done out of metal. That means you gotta chug your beer.
Chug it, down it.
Smash it! Proper speech. Learned 4 new tricks on a mountain bike in a matter of 15 minutes.
Thank you, K-Dog.
Yeah, buddy.
Appreciate it, bro.
Woo! Just finished up here at iStreet. I think we proved to Schmidt that he's gonna be a mountain biker one day, and let's hit the road. Get out of here, guys. Whoa, dude, that seat's pretty tall. What are you doing?
Freaking smoked. Let's get out of here. That was crazy. Schmidt's throwing down, Curtis throwing down, Tom Corn throwing down, Gary showed up. He's getting on the bike. I don't even know. Hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs.
Hi, Gary. And back to the social butterfly.